Alyssa, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Okay, got it. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel, and I know some of you oldies but goodies that are still following me are like, where the heck have you been? I'm so sorry. I have been so busy, caught up with like family, just being with my family basically for the most part. So that's kind of where I've been, and there's a lot of changes that have happened and I'm eager to share them with you guys. So let me know if you like these types of videos. This is more of like a life update video since I've kind of been missing from action. So let me know if you guys like these types of videos by giving it a thumbs up and then also commenting down below. Okay, so like I said, I have been so busy just pretty much spending time with family. I've been working so hard. I do home health. I'm a home health nurse, as some of you guys may know, but I do home health and I have been so busy working hard, which actually brings me to my first news to share with you guys, and it is that I got a new job. And so yes, the pros and the cons for home health. I love home health. I love working with the patients one-on-one versus, you know, in the hospital setting you have a whole ton of patients, but it was getting so wearing on me, so tiring driving. You do a lot of driving. You drive to patients' houses all day long. You check their vitals, change wound dressings, etc. But it was getting so tiring to me to be driving around all day, not to mention the wear and tear on my cars. So I decided to look for a different job, and my plan was to update you guys on this as it was happening. Like, okay, I'm looking for a job, then next I have an interview. So that didn't happen. So here we are. I ended up getting the job. I got 2 interviews, got hired a couple of days later, and so I do have the job. So you're probably wondering, am I still a nurse? Am I not? Okay, so I am still a nurse, but I am in an office setting now versus direct patient care. So I don't see any patients. I am it's pretty much computer based, and there's a little bit of phone work, but for the most part I'm on the computer. Has to do like with the insurance side, prescriptions, that sort of thing. So I won't have any direct patient care. I will actually have the capabilities of working from home 2 days out of the week, and I'm so excited that I even have that opportunity. I didn't realize that was an option when I started the company. She said that was not something that they shared to everybody out there. It's not until you get hired that you realize that certain departments have that sort of privilege. So I was very honored, very blessed to be able to do that. And of course that's after like my 90 days. So after I do my 90 days, then I get to work from home 2 days a week. So I am so excited about that. Okay, so I will miss home health because I do. Okay, bye. Okay, so I will miss, you know, that part of my job, which is the direct patient care, but at the same time I am ready for a change. I don't know how you guys operate, but I cannot be at one job. Where I'm at now in my life, I can't be at a job more than, you know, a few years, because it starts to I start to get like burned out. I don't know if that's the word, but bored, I guess, of doing the same type of thing over and over again. So yeah, I'm not, for me where I'm at, I think it's time for a change, that I try something new, something different. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this out and seeing how it works for me. So another update with me is, you can probably tell, but they're already growing out, but I got my nails done. And if you guys know me, I never get my nails done, and now I know why. I love getting my nails done. I think they're so beautiful when people get them done. I think they look so classy, so, you know, just so womanly. And I love them, but I hate them at the same time because I can't type with them. And if I cannot feel the pads of my fingers, then it just makes it really hard for me to be my best, because especially at this new job I'm going to be on the computer 24/7. So it's really hard for me to be my best at typing and working with things because I use my hands so much just on a day-to-day basis. And if you guys see, they're not even that long. They are not even that long. They are short, but that still bothers me. So yeah, so I think I'm definitely getting them taken off before I start my new job, but I think I'm gonna probably try like the gel nails or the gel. I believe it goes directly onto your regular nails. So probably I'll end up doing that. I think I'm gonna go that route. Somebody also mentioned something about dip, and so I don't know. Let me know in the comments below which one's better. I'm new to all this. I haven't got my nails done in like a year, and now I know why, because it inhibits me from working and doing my best. So let me know in the comments below which nail technique works best for short nails. So we've been pretty much just staying home, other than me working with the girls. I just bought them a bunch of slime supplies, and they are currently right now doing a 24-hour challenge, I think it is. They're doing that for fun, but they have been making slime like crazy. Arts and crafts. They've been playing outside a ton, just trying to keep them busy. It's so hard during the summer, and then they tend to fight a lot more because they're together 24/7, so that makes it a little bit harder. But yeah, so the girls are doing great. We're all here. Okay, so I'm really excited because I ordered, I don't know if you guys heard of Scentbird. It's like this perfume trial thing. And so I'm really excited. I just ordered my first one, so it should be here in a couple of weeks. But I am super excited. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to that. But I love the idea that you actually you can try a different sample perfume every month, and it's like for $14–15 a month. So I think that's a really good deal. So I'm super excited to try that. Oh, and another thing, speaking of the perfumes, going back to my new job, I'm excited to be able to wear perfumes again. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do the body sprays right now, but as a nurse, I do direct patient care, and you're not supposed to wear like really strong perfumes. So I just do like the Bath and Body Works body sprays because they're very light, and they tend to, you know, go away within an hour or two actually. So at least for me. And so I'm always having to I have one in my car, I have one in my purse. I always have to, like, you know, just give myself a quick spray throughout the day to just kind of freshen up. But that's currently what I use right now. So I am actually super excited to be able to wear perfumes again. I'm excited to wear clothes again, to not have to be in scrubs all day. So that is another like big deal to me. Okay, so another thing I did, and hopefully I can put a clip of that in here, but I totally reorganized my garage. So that got done. That was a big deal to me. I don't know about you guys, but when something's disorganized, I mean to that extreme where it was, I mean, you couldn't even barely walk in there to get to my washer and dryer. That was the only path that was there. Everything else, I mean, it was off limits. You couldn't even walk through it. So I made a walkway. We can walk through it now. So that was nice. That's super. That took so much stress off of me, because that is such a big deal. I don't know if you moms can relate, but that is a big deal to me, that weight is lifted off my shoulders. I've lived in this house for 3 years, and I have been saying that since I've moved in, that I will get to the garage. It was my last room in the house to get to. I organized every room in my house except the garage, and I kept putting it off. So here we are 3 years later, and I finally got it done. So that was a big weight lifted off my shoulders. Okay guys, so another very important update that I forgot to update you guys on is my grandbaby Raquel. She has grown so much. She is now 5 months old. Raquel, look Raquel. Say hi. Say hi, babies. This is her. Raquel. Who is that pretty girl? So as you guys can see on camera, it looks super red. Usually outside in the light, her hair is super red, but in person it's a little bit darker. It's kind of like when you're inside it looks like an auburn, and then outside it's like bright red. But yeah, she is so adorable. She is 5 months old now, and she is just getting huge. Like, check out these legs. She is just getting so big. And so she is now eating solid foods. Every once in a while we will give her, you know, something to snack on for fun. She eats baby cereal in the morning sometimes. And so, but yeah, I just wanted to bring her on here since it's been a while since you guys have seen her. I've put a couple of updates on my Instagram, but that's about it. I haven't like shown her in person since I think she was about 1 or 2 months old. So, but this is her. And okay, so that's pretty much it for my updates that I can think of as of right now. I still have a couple of videos that I need to edit and get out there to you guys. I promise I'll get them out eventually, but I wanted to kind of get you something up, you know, in the meantime, since it's been like a month or so since I've actually posted anything. So let me know if you guys like these life update videos in between, and let me know what types of videos you want to see going forward in the summer. I plan to do a lot of like fun stuff with my kiddos, and so yeah, to keep them busy, occupied, and not fighting with each other. So let me know what you guys do in the comments below to keep your kids busy. We do a lot of arts and craft type things as well, so let me know if you guys have any ideas too. I was actually considering like one of those subscription boxes as well. I think that would be really cool if my kids got those in the mail and then they could create and make something out of that. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.